Hey First Thursday Club, it's Levi here. I'm doing another French press tutorial this week. This time it is cold brew. What you're gonna need: your French press, your scale, 3 ounces Cascadia cold brew coffee, and a grinder unless you already pre-grind your coffee. Grind 3 ounces or 85 grams. The next step, pour 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of water and give it a little stir. You don't want to stir it too hard. You just want to make sure that you get all the grinds wet. Add the rest of your water, cover it, stick it in the fridge for anywhere between 24 hours and 3 days. Your cold brew totally will be ready at the end of 24 hours. If you let it go longer, you'll be able to dilute it even further and have more cold brew at the end. And you'll get this really smooth, rich cold brew if you let it sit for 3 days. If you don't want to wait even that long, put it on the counter 12 hours and it'll be all ready. Whenever you're ready, take it out of the fridge, gently press down the plunger, transfer my cold brew into another container. I dilute to taste every single time. If you want to play it safe, dilute it 1:1 to start. Next time, add a little more or a little less water. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know how it works for you. Hit us up on Facebook or on Instagram. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Until next time, take care.